Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Susilowati. I'm an Excel and Power BI enthusiast with decades of business experience. In this video, I want to share with you something I recently learned in Excel thanks to my new CEO. So my new boss, the new CEO, asked me an Excel question that I couldn't answer immediately. He said that his Excel is behaving strangely. There is this annoying green cross that he didn't like. How to get rid of them? I couldn't tell him the answer straight away as I never came across that in the past. We Googled how to get rid of annoying green cross in Excel and nothing came up. So when I finally found out the answer, I couldn't wait to make this video. The annoying green cross has a name. It is a new Excel feature called the focus cell. In Excel, you can click View and there is this focus cell drop-down box. And in there, you can change the color to any one of these. You can change it to purple, for example, or you can change it to red. Now, the question is, what if we don't want it at all? How to turn it off? Very simple. Just click that focus cell one more time and voila, it's gone. How simple is that? I hope you find this video useful. See you next time.